Now we come to the 7 important tips that you need to know about house insurance. They may save you a lot of money and trouble if you remember them. Number 1, how to get sum insured for the house building. The sum insured for the house building is the cost of reconstruction for the building and the associated costs. It does not include the land value. Hence, it poses the problem of finding out the value to be insured. Some insurance companies offer online sum insured calculator. Once you provide the details of your property, the system will generate an agreed value for your house. An agreed value is the value which the insurer will pay regardless of what the actual market price of reconstruction is at the time of claim. If you are fine with the agreed value, then it will save you a lot of trouble in finding a basis or getting a professional to do the valuation. You can also refer to the PIAM website to get an indicative value to be insured for your house. I have given the links in the description below. Number 2, how to take inventory of the house content systematically. Another reason for people to delay in getting a house insurance is they do not know where to begin to take stock of what they have in the house. It is too overwhelming for some people. Here are the steps and a template to illustrate how you can go about it systematically. Once that is done, you can refer to the purchase invoices to fill in the details, especially the high value item. Divide the house into sections such as living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, and others. And in each of these sections, list down the items you find in them. You can also list out the items which are high in value because the insurer will require you to specify the items if their value is 5% or higher in relation to the total content value. In this example, the total content value or sum insured is 100,000. Since 5% of 100,000 is 5,000, I will have to list out any items which is 5,000 or more in value. Number 3, how to maintain a proper record. Up to this point, I usually hear people saying, why is it so troublesome? My answer is, we buy insurance not with the intention to make a claim, but if things really happen, I want to make sure I can claim and without much hassle. Do you agree? A proper record will ensure that we can claim for the losses from the insurance company easily. Take pictures of the bills, the items, and also videos of the house content section by section as a record and store them in the cloud. So that in the event of a fire, burglary, or major flood, you will still have the digital copies of the bills, pictures, and videos of the items. It will not only help you to remember what you had, but also help to substantiate the existence of the items to the insurer. I have done claims with such a photo, and they really help a lot. Number 4, full value or first loss basis. Typical household content is insured based on full value basis. This means that you will need to ensure the sum insured is adequate to reflect the total value of the content. Some insurer offers the choice to insure the content of the house on a first loss basis. This means that in the event of a claim, the insurer will pay up to the amount they insure regardless of what the total value of the content you have in the house before the loss. Number 5, jewelry. The best solution for jewelry is, of course, not keeping any at home. There are 2 limitations in a typical home content insurance for jewelry. No single item should exceed 5% of the total content value. Collectively, the jewelry should not constitute more than 30% of the total content value. This means that if your total home content is 100,000, each jewelry item will only be covered up to 5,000, and in total, up to 30,000 only will be covered. Another thing is, most people keep their jewelry together with the original purchase invoice in the same little box. Is your family doing the same? Well, take a picture of jewelry and the invoice for added precaution. Number 6, antiques and paintings. Insuring antiques and paintings often necessitate agreement on their value with the insurer beforehand. Due to the lack of expertise in our country to accurately appraise such items, most insurers are hesitant to cover them. This creates challenges in establishing the agreed value to insure and when processing a claim. Typically, documentation required to authenticate and assess the value of the item includes a valuer's report, purchase invoices from a reputable art gallery, or documents from auction houses. Without the agreed insured value, these items might merely be viewed as regular furniture or decorative painting in your home. I know you might have coins and stamps and ancestor tables and chairs passed down from your great-great-grandfather. Well, unfortunately, it's not going to be easy to insure to the amount that you think they are worth. Number 7, theft by tenants. Generally, if tenants steals the things from the property, it is not considered as burglary. Therefore, the house content insurance does not cover such losses. Landlord who provide fully furnished units for rental will have to rely on rental deposit as safety net against such event. However, with extra premium, some insurers do provide limited coverage for malicious damage by the tenants. Here's a recap for the 7 important tips on house insurance which I've shared. Number 1, how to get sum insured for the house building. Number 2, how to take inventory of the house contents systematically. Number 3, how to maintain a proper record. Number 4, insure full value or first loss basis. Number 5, jewelry. Number 6, antiques and paintings. Number 7, theft by tenants. Hi, I'm Hanson Lai. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or suggestions on topics to cover in my future videos, please leave a comment below. If you find the information given in this video useful, please share it with others so that they can benefit from it too. So see you again.